So guys, do you have a business idea that can solve the problem of masses? Yes, I am sure you have, because most of us have such ideas. But we hold back just because of inadequate funding for idea. Business needs resources like company, tax registration, staff, app, website, software tools, digital marketing, and much more. All this needs money. And here the problem is that most of us are unable to raise that initial amount of funding. So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am Mori Tanvi and I am back with the solution for this answer. So let's get started with this video. People in a full-time job keeps on thinking that you will launch your startup, raise funds and make it big. However, the opportunity of raising funds at the idea stage were not there. Now you have Startuplanes idea stage funding. We can invest rupees 1 crore in your idea stage startup. Please see this table and understand the funding stages. Now the very first question is that what is the eligibility of the founders? The potential founders should fulfill the requirements which I would be discussing now. The very first is minimum age of the founder should be 18 years. Then he or she should be fluent in spoken English. Then he or she should be the resident of India. Valid ID proof and address proof should be there. No pending cases in courts or police records are compulsory. Then should be able to dedicate at least 20 hours per week to the startup. Now the question is that we are providing funds, and if you are the founder, then what is required from the founder? Then the first thing is that startup idea is required, of course. A team of 3+ members having at least 2 co-founder or directors. Then self-investment of 1 lakh should be there. Laptop or desk with high speed of internet should be there. Then desire to start and scale up a business. Passion and dedication to work. Now the question is that which type of startup idea can be funded? Now startup ideas with market size of $5 billion and plus should be there. D2C business model, B2B, 2C, B2C, B2B subscription, then customer acquisition through digital marketing, then automated sign up of customer to web app or mobile app, then automated ordering process through payment gateway, then innovation to reduce price and enhance convenience. Now here the question arises that what are the benefits included? So I'll tell you that mentorship, guidance and advisory by Startuplanes. Vendor sourcing and support in vendor selection. Building the go-to-market model. Then access to investors of Startuplanes. Marketing and branding support through social media of Startuplanes. Then here are some points that you should note. An equity of 10% will be taken by Startuplanes. A new private limited company has to be incorporated. Pitch deck validation and financial projection will be made by SL team and at a discounted fee, of course. Demo day of the company shall be organized by Startuplanes for pitching the investors. Then in case the startup fails to raise the sufficient capital, they can come again with another idea. Now talking about idea, how to apply for idea-based funding. So what you need to do is that make your single page IM, then apply through Startuplanes website, pitch the team of Startuplanes. Our team shall guide you further upon the selection. In case your idea is not selected, then you may come again with another idea as mentioned before. Now I hope that till now you are barely convinced that you should go for Startuplanes for sure. Now what you need to do is that just you have to click on the link which is given in the description box and write that yes, I want to get funded, and you will be contacted by our team member. If you want to know more about us, do visit our website called startuplanes.com. Also, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. We provide informative content as well as content related to our work on our platforms. Thank you so much.